Hey everyone, I'm Joey. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a two-balloon helicopter. I'm going to jump right into the tutorial, so if you appreciate that, smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. That really helps my channel, and it's a super small, free way that you can show your support. You can also subscribe to my channel for some more balloon twisting, personal finance, and business tips. Some supplies you're going to need are a dual-action hand inflator, two 260-size balloon twisting balloons. Links to both of these items can be found in the description below, and if you really want to get crazy, you can rent a helium tank and fill these with helium instead so that you have a floating balloon helicopter, but make sure you attach a string to it so that it doesn't fly away. Once you've gathered your supplies, let's get started. My helicopter is going to be two colors. I've chosen blue and black. One color is going to be the body of the helicopter and the other color is going to be the propellers. We're going to start by inflating the body of the helicopter to about 5 finger lengths tail. First twist we're going to make is about a 4-inch section. This is going to be the distance between the propellers and the body of the helicopter. Next, we're going to create a 1-inch bubble that turns into an ear twist. Remember, for ear twists, the easiest way to do this is to fold the balloon down on itself, squeeze both sides, use your other hand to lift up the bubble and twist it around. Next, we're going to create a triangular section with 3 3-inch bubbles with 2 ear twists on the bottom. So I'm basically going to alternate between 3-inch sections and ear twists. There's one section, now let's make an ear twist. It's time for the second section and second ear twist. And finally, the third 3-inch section. If you have trouble remembering how many sections and ear twists to make, from the very beginning you make 4 sections total and 3 ear twists total. We're going to attach this twist here into this joint here so that it makes a triangular section with this piece sticking out. I'm going to hold the two together so that I'm creating this triangle shape and then twist around these 2 bottom sections. Once I've twisted these 2 around, I'm going to flip it so that this 3-inch section is facing upwards because this is going to be what attaches our propellers. These are going to be the 2 wheels of the helicopter, and next we are going to bend the rest of our balloon and stick it partially through our triangle. We want to leave a big loop here in the front. That's going to be the cockpit of our helicopter. Next, I'm going to make a twist where I think the back propellers should go. I think it should be about 6 inches from the back of the cockpit. And what I'm going to do here is twist a 1-inch bubble on the very end of my balloon and attach this twist with this one so that I create a loop twist and then I have a 1-inch bubble. If you have a little bit of extra deflated balloon on the end here, you can hide this by holding this deflated part next to this joint and creating an ear twist out of this 1-inch bubble. I think that makes it look a little bit nicer. I have to give a shout out for this reason to Kugel balloons. These are the balloons that I've been using for the past couple years, and I think these are way better than Qualitex or some of the other professional balloon brands. I think they're more durable than Qualitex balloons. I think they're slightly longer so that I can twist more of each shape with these balloons. The balloons don't come stuck together like sometimes I receive in Qualitex packs. They're more affordable and they arrive on my doorstep way faster. It may be unprofessional to stray away from Qualitex, the professional balloon brand, but using my own judgment and taking into account my own experience with these balloons versus Qualitex balloons, I won't go back. These are better in every area. You can try these balloons out yourself to see how you like them, but also check out a bunch of other balloon brands. I think you'll find that you're pleasantly surprised with some other balloon brands other than Qualitex, Batalitex, or other professional balloon brands. Now that we've got the body of our helicopter, let's add the propellers. Inflate your second 260 balloon to about 3 finger lengths tail. Now I'm going to try to make 3 loop twists all the same size. I've found that a 6 to 7-inch loop twist is about the size I need to create 3 equally sized loop twists for my propellers. Remember, for this first one, since I'm working with the nozzle, I'm going to twist it around and then pull the nozzle through the loop to lock it in place. Now for the second 2 loop twists, I know that I can create these evenly. It's just a matter of trying to get this first one to match my last 2. The way that I make my last 2 loop twists perfectly symmetrical is by squeezing all of the air to the end of the balloon so that the air is evenly dispersed. I create a 1-inch bubble right here. I twist this twist in with this twist to create a joint. Now that I have one massive loop twist, I'm going to find the middle of it by stretching it out, and then I'm going to push the middle of it into this joint and create 2 loop twists out of it. And that should give me 3 somewhat equally sized loop twists with a 1-inch bubble sticking out the front. Remember to orient all of your loop twists so they're all facing forward. Next, I'm going to take the nozzle on my first balloon and twist it around this joint right here to attach these 2 colors together. This right here is your 2-balloon helicopter. If this was helpful, don't forget to hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps my channel, and it's a super small, free way that you can show your support. Remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to be notified every time I post a new video, and let me know in the comments below what balloon shapes you'd like to learn next. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Joey. I'll see you next time.